Hello po, miss. Ay, Marty yung ano. Marty po yung babae. Hi.
Tinula ko ba yan? Marami pa yan.
For the walk po na kami. Pero ano lang yan. 1 minute or
30 minutes.
Uy, huwag naman. Hindi naman kaya.
Can you like check the
Attention pala to.
properly?
Okay. We're gonna check the back. Properly.
And mag-aisin ako ng kulang po. Hi na guys. Thank you ate.
Hi. Camera check. Camera check. Ay, nauuna talaga si madam mo. Yeah, the place is so cute.
Sino naghanap?
Yung TikTok.
Ako na rin. Tatak ride.
Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. Yan? This is room 101, room 101. So, ito yung pinaka una mo makikita agad, the cam. And yung vibe niya, very classic na, very 90s yung vibe. Yun yung naano ko. Tapos meron na agad ditong nakahiga. Tuwid kami. Tapos, iyon. Alam mo yung design niya, very, ano lang, retro, no? Parang ganun. Tapos, ayan, may mga hangers here.
Breakfast, please.
May breakfast tayo, right? Yeah, may free breakfast. Ang may-ari kasi ng the vessel is an architect. So, kaya yung may hindi makalabas, yung design ng room and also the vibe. Very like that. So, meron tayo ditong visitor.
Visitor? Found your space, guys.
Yes. And thank you po!
Kung gusto niyo talaga ng sulit na outing, sama niyo ako. The bathroom is very, very static. Look at the walls, guys! Oh my god! The finish. And the lights.
Yeah, super ganda. Super cool. And meron ditong veranda. Siguro dito mo ilalagay yung mga patuyuan. Patuyuan mo. Kasi yan, dyan. Magsampay ka dyan. And, ayun, super init kasi dito. And thanks to ate kasi early check-in talaga kami. It's 1 PM pa lang. So, binuksan nila yung aircon. And we decided to check in early. Kasi nga super init and we need to eat na. Kasi we're so hungry.
Mamamatay na ako sa gutom. Mangangagat ako ng caretaker.
Close or not?
No, na. Ako, I can
Manage.
rock this one. Ayun, so, first impression, 10-10. Kasi, yeah, cloud chasing soul ko, talagang satisfied.
Hi! We're in LU.
Sige lang. Ay, shit. Hi, miss.
You want my number?
Wow! Nagpresenta, ha? Okay, ako lang yung pinakatino dito. Kasi they are so crazy and me just being cute here.
Crazy.
Hi po, tita. Kasama niyo po yung anak niyo nagpapagapit?
Yeah, my boyfriend.
Ah, your boyfriend. Isa po doon. Titirahin na po siya. So, we're here at Tidal Shave. Dahil, actually, before we go here, ang plan namin ni Steven magpagupit. Pero, hindi sumang-ayon ng
Dahil
panahon.
dumb bitches here.
Yeah. Also, dahil very extra tayo, papunti tayo sa La Union.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, shouting and screaming. Something new to me.
Hi po! Let's go coffee na. Let's go. You're so pretty here.
Let's go back when it's sunset.
Sobrang pawis na pawis. Pero sobrang ganda.
Yes, wala. Priceless. So after meeting with the sea, wow! So ngayon we need to refresh kasi medyo ganap agad yun. Hindi planado na mag-beach agad. Eh natuwa ang mga chikiting. Ayun. So dito kami coffee na. Hi, we're going to
Clean beach. Where the beach is.
and yung isa nauna na, of course.
Gutom na ulit.
Yes. Ang bata natin kasama. Yan siya. Ayun, we're here at Clean Beach Cafe, right? So we're gonna have some coffee. Oo.
Ano ko top?
Bag siya. Roaming around kasi puro close yung cafe na gusto namin.
Tira na lang natin yung captain.
Tama ka na, B. Tama ka na.
Picture lang, pero kunwari kinain na agad.
Tayo tomorrow.
Ha?
Swim.
I think later, pwede tayo mag-swim.
So we're gonna walk around.
Ano? Buti mo siya chill lang.
Kaya na tayo.
Oh, kasi parang kung tayo pa yung tatlong cloud chasing, negative na yan. Pag sa trip kasi, dapat yung trip mo, trip din ang kasama mo. Tulad nyo, yung tatakbo pag may kasama kang kayo, ano ba yan?
Let's stop.
At saka mag-e-effort yung kasama mo, makaka-capture talaga rin ng ano. Sabi ko nga sa kasama yan. Gaganda at gaganda ang isang place, kahit tsaka yung place, maganda, pero maganda yung experience sa kasama mo. Thank you. Wag na.
Bakit?
Nilayo ko talaga sa kanya.
Hindi, ayoko na rin. Matamis na.
Kala ko, concern siya na baka oversweet na.
Hindi, mamaya ako.
Akala ko rin. Concern ka sa health ko. Suta ka!
Sabi ko, oh, si John Marie hindi nagko-complain.
Ngayon lang ulit.
Day 1 is done.
Hindi pa.
Ay, hindi pa pala. We're going
80%
to
Hara and
Hara and Flotsam.
Flotsam. And lahat.
Ibig sabihin, kapag ako nawala, wag niyo na ako hanapin. I got this.
Ako kasama ko lang si Pride kasi bihit kami.
Yeah. Oh my God. Steven, saan ka pupunta?
Kailangan
Doon sa may
natin,
tabing
ano?
pampang.
Yung mga tawag doon, tent doon, makikisleep over ako doon.
Feeling ko maganda yung accommodation ng ibang
Kaya nga
guest
eh.
eh.
Tapos
Kubo-kubo kami.
kinabukasan na yung story time.
Tapos si tatanong, you have a place? Yes, sa labas mo na kayo.
Pwede yun sa Miranda.
Getting ready.
Getting ready.
Bebenta ka namin tonight, so kailangan galingin mo.
And also browsing photos. Ito yung mahirap eh, yung marami kang photos, kaya wala kang mapila.
Pero pangit ka pa.
Alam mo, ang ganda ng picture ko sa'yo.
One?
Grabe. Tapos yung picture niya sa akin, wala.
Wow! Kaya pala may reels ka na, babe! Iyak-iyak naman ako!
Ano oras na? 11 na.
8.
Hi, Sander. Yung alarm mo, apakalakas. Hindi ka naman nagising. B.
Hindi ako nagising.
Oo, ako pa ang nag-ano na.
Good morning, bitches!
Good morning.
So now, what are we gonna do?
Eat breakfast at the roof deck, which is free for today pala.
And, yeah. So, ang breakfast daw is, ano sabi ni tita?
Ano malunggay bread? Malunggay bread, banana, and egg. Then coffee.
Okay yung malunggay bread. In short naman, pandesal.
Then, pwede nyo yung coffee.
Yeah, so, yeah. And first agenda for today is to witness the sunrise. But, the bitches are drunk
and tired.
and tired. So, hindi po namin ako. Good morning! Good morning, tita!
What's the legit coffee that you want?
Tama! Deserve. We have sugar here, bread, and egg, and banana.
What happened?
Kasi naghanap yung katawan ko kagabi ng dance floor. Unfortunately, wala.
Ang kalat ng kwarto, grabe. Sinira natin yung aesthetic ng kwarto yesterday.
Actually, yun ko. Lipat tayo ng room. We're gonna lipat a room. And alam niyo po ko sa inyo, sa kabila lang.
Katabi lang.
Katabi lang, 102. This is 101. Kami 102. So, para lang kayo magtatanga.
We need to get ready before 12 because we're going to change room.
Yeah, because we're gonna transfer rooms just beside our room lang.
Alam mo, nakakainis talaga yung buhok ko every morning. Ganun siya.
Alam mo, never namin yan naging problem.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo. Para, alam mo yung ano?
Something I can never
Yeah, when we woke up, we were fresh.
Adi kayo na, pukang ina niya.
Maiba ataya. Yun ang unang niligo. Maiba ataya.
Ikaw ba yung pinakamabagal? Ikaw na
Bitch, kala mo, huli ka. Ikaw una, B.
Topic. Patawa topic.
Fuck you. Mabilis na ako maligo.
We're having our lunch here at the cantina. Or we're gonna, ano pa? Gahanap pa kami. Hi!
It's so hot.
Nakita may payong ako. We're having pizza and carbonara and of course fruity shakes here at La Cantina. La Cantina.
bitch is sick.
Wala na siya ng lakas.
Oo, lalaka na. Ano yun?
Masyado kang tinira ng LU. Yes.
So, I'm a sick bitch.
Actually, we had our lunch na sa La Cantina. And we're now gonna retouch for a photo shoot. Sayang ang outfit, right?
Yeah.
How's the coffee?
Let's try.
Babe, how's the coffee? Have you tried it? Coffee, El Union coffee, guys. Good morning. So, nag-sync in na ba sa inyo na it's our last day today here?
Kala ko hanggang to tayo.
Hanggang to ba? Hindi, ito fired to. Parang may ibang glow po sa inyo. Like, morning glow of having a...
Morning glow, ito yung ilalamunan.
Hangover glow pala yan.
That moment of silence. What was that for? Okay.
So, malapit. We're planning to get a tattoo and also to have our lunch somewhere nice and go home. Siguro around 2 p.m. or after lunch yung uwi namin.
Clothes for more. Actually, I thought ginawa mo siya on purpose.
May item ako.
Binardagol yung bag. Ayun.
Going home. Ay, not yet pala. May pupuntahan pa tayo. We're now checking out because we're gonna have our lunch and we're gonna visit a coffee shop recommended by our LE friend here. Yes, and also we're gonna try secret later. So yeah, let's go check out. Sa beach. Wisdom hand. Kamusta ang cesarean? Masakit. Ayo, are you ready? Clap your hands.